Now you can see some more complex to solve. Now integration x to the power 4 into cube root of x to the power 5 plus 6 dx. Okay, so we can see the result. So you can paste it and you can see. So from simple import asterisk xy is both a symbol, and this what x to the power 4 into square root cube root of x to the power 5 plus 6. Okay, and if you execute it, you can see the result. Now this is the result. Okay, so 0.0.15 into x to the power 5 plus 6 to the power 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 is nothing but 1.33. We can see another example, integration 1 by x plus 7 dx. So the answer is what? Log x plus 7. So for that you have to execute these lines. Okay, so we can execute it, and you can see here x and y both are the symbols, and integrate 1 by x plus 7. Okay, and you can see the result. So here is a log x plus 7. So it is what? The answer is what? Log x plus 7. Next is what? Integration sine to the power 5x into cos x dx. So for that, how to execute it in simple. So here x is a symbol, and integrate x sine x to the power 5 into cos x. Okay, so we can see the result. So the result is this one, sine to the power 6x, sine to the power 6x by 6. That is the answer. Similarly, integration x sine x dx. The answer is that minus x cos x plus sine x. So simply SymPy can give this answer. So from SymPy asterisk x is a symbol, and integrate x into sine x. Okay, and we can see the result. The result is what? Minus x cos x plus sine x. That already you know. Next we can say integration of x to the power 5 ln x dx. Okay, so to get this one, from SymPy import asterisk x is equal to symbol x, expression is integrate x to the power 5 into ln x. Okay, so we can see the result. So if you see the result here, x to the power 6 log x minus 1 by 36. Okay, so this is the answer. Next is what? Integration sine to the power 8x dx. Okay, so you can see how usually we can execute in SymPy. So x is a symbol, integrate sine to the power x, sine x to the power 8. Okay, so we can see the expression, we can see the result. So the result is, this is a huge result. Okay, it's a big size. So this is the result. Okay, you can see the result. Next we can see integration 10x minus 2x square by square root of x minus 1 square into x plus 3. So easily we can solve it using SymPy. So it is, we can see the integrate 10x minus 2x square, 10x minus 2x square by x minus x square root of, you can see this is square root. Okay, square root of x minus 1 square into x plus 3. Okay, and we can execute it, and you can see the result. So it will take some time to give the result. So you can see here execution is going on. Now see, this is the result. Okay, this is the result. Now you can see the format of the result, minus 2 integration minus 5x. Okay, now here SymPy failed to give the final result. Similarly, we can see here square integration 1 by square root of 4 minus x square dx. The answer is what? Arc sin x by 2 plus c. So if you execute it, it will not give the result. Okay, you can execute it and message. So I don't know what is the reason behind that. So I think SymPy team can solve it. Okay, it is a integration square root of 9 minus 4x square dx. Okay, so we can execute it. From SymPy import asterisk x is equal to symbol x, expression is integrate 9 minus 4x square. So square root of 9 minus 4x square. So you can see the result if you execute it. Now you can see. Okay, so I think here should be the minus, should be the this one. Okay, and you can see the result. Okay, now see, this is the result. So practically I don't know what is the meaning of this. So you are the mathematician, you know what is the actual meaning of that. So you can give the explanation in the comment section. Next, few more are there. So integration 1 by x to the power q plus 12. Okay, so easily we can do it. So 1 by x to the x square plus 9. So we can, instead of square, it should be 3, I think. So if you 3, then we can execute it. So we can execute it and you can see the result. So here you can see that this is the result. So you can see the big result. Okay. Okay. Next is what? 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2. So 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2. So you can see here 1 by x square plus 2x plus 2. So we can execute it and we can see the result. Now you can see the result. This is the result. Okay. Integration 1 to infinity 1 by x square dx. The answer is 1. Okay. So we can see here integration 1 by x square, and the x lower limit is 1 and upper limit is infinite. So for infinite we use double O and we can execute it. So we can execute it and you can see the result. So the answer is 1. Okay, you can see it, the answer is 1. Similarly, integration 1 to infinite 1 by square root of x dx. Okay, now SimPy failed to give answer. Now you can execute it. So you can see here 1 by square root of x, and limit is what? 1 to infinite. And if you execute it, we can see. Okay. Next is what? Integration 0 to infinite e to the power minus 6x dx is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. So we can see e to the power minus 6x. We can see here e to the power minus 6x, and integration, the limit, lower limit is 0 and upper limit is infinite, and we can see the result and we can execute it and we can get the result. Okay, the answer is what? 1 by 6 we have seen here. Similarly, integration 0 to 4. Okay, 1 by x minus 4 whole square. So we can say 1 by x minus 4 whole square. So x limit, lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 4, and we can execute it, and if you can execute it we can see the result. So the answer is what? It is infinite. Okay, so you can see here it is infinite. Similarly, you can see the result. You can see integration 0 to 6 1 by x minus 4 to the power 2 by 3. Okay, so you can see here 1 by x minus 4 to the power 2 by 3, and lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 6, and we can execute it and we can see the result, and the result is what? This one. Okay, so in this particular reference book, this is one of the best book for calculus, reference calculus, Hughes, Hellert, Gallon, Macmillan et al. 6th edition. Okay, so one of the best book for calculus. You can see this particular book. You can read that particular book. In that particular book, the answer is 8.542, but SimPy returns this answer. I don't know what is the reason behind that. Since you are the mathematician, you can give the correct answer. Okay. Now similarly, integration square root of 1 minus 1 plus square root of x dx. Now try to execute this one and see the result. Okay, so still it is executing. Now it is 737. Okay, 737, and now there is no answer. You can see here it is 739. There is no answer. Now it is 740, no answer. So you can try it yourself. Okay, so now it is 741, and still we don't have any answer. So you can try it yourself, and in the description part You just tell me when you have got this particular answer. Okay, and that is the end of this particular video. Thank you very much.